Hello, I am at Boeing Museum today in Seattle, also called the Museum of Flight. This is the outer area of the museum. Parking is at my back. You can see lots of cars standing there, and one aeroplane is there. You can see very beautiful airplane, and on it is written Canada Airlines. And on the back, one plane is running on the runway. You can see that. So Boeing is manufacturing its plane in Seattle only. It's the headquarters of Boeing, and we have the rare privilege of visiting their facility today. And you also along with me are visiting it on my channel Shekhar TravelPlus Vlogs. I am sure you must appreciate that such beautiful places, such important places are brought to you on my channel, and you will support my channel by buying super thanks, by subscribing in large numbers, watching all videos, liking those, commenting and sharing too. So we go forward now. Now I am showing you the Boeing Museum, also called the Museum of Flight, to the back camera. And this is the plane I talked about. Trans-Canada Airlines is written there. It's a Boeing plane. Mainly passenger planes are built by Boeing. Earlier Lockheed Martin was there, and now we have a joint venture of UK and France manufacturing the planes. This is the Museum of Flight. You can see there on the top of this entry gate is written Museum of Flight, and there is a small sculpture here. You can see this. Here it is written team effort. I will read it. In loving memory of Kathleen B. Lenhart and Lieutenant John J. Lenhart, U.S. Navy. Schneider Team Pilot 1927. So this is it. This is how it looks from the inside. And these are the first planes built by Wright brothers. You can see here how they flew. First time a man flew, and what were their planes that time. That you can see here. This is the admission and entry point. Tickets are also bought here. The tickets are $26 for adults, seniors $22.
There is that bag.
This is how Wright brothers flew in the beginning. First aeroplanes you can see here. Another one, John Wright, how Wright brothers flew, and one more there. These are the initial planes that flew. There is theatre too, William M. Allen Theatre, where the movies on the Boeing journey are shown. From here people are coming out after watching the exhibits. We will also come out from there. Let us go in first. There is a vision statement of Boeing. our vision to be the foremost educational aerospace museum in the world. And this is the mission of Boeing. The Museum of Flight exists to acquire, preserve, and exhibit significant aerospace artifacts.
Oh, really? Wow.
This project foundation
So
has
were you
fund
in the air
research
all
and
that
lifelong
time? You
learning
weren't the
programs that
desk
inspire
job
and
at all?
interest
No.
in the understanding of science, technology, and humanity.
Oh, wow. What did you,
Here are the pathfinders. And Sheikh Peugeot is one of them.
Fly from here to Anchorage. I leave here at 9:30, come back at 5. I do 3 of those in 4 days off. Oh, well, I was based before I was married. Jeff bought it in 2016.
So we have entered the museum now. These are the planes, initial ones in my frame just now. And this is a seaplane hanging from the roof. People watching all the planes with great interest there. On the behind there is a big one, Boeing plane, and forward is a small one. You can see hanging. This is again a small one in the frame just now, and here also C290 is a small plane. Hubbard and Boeing. By 1919, the aircraft industry started suffering since the war was over, almost. And then Boeing thought of starting mail service, air mail, to revive the suffering aircraft industry. And these were the planes shown here. Here you can see written US Mail CAM-18. These were used to carry the mail and revive the aircraft industry. And on surface road, that is, these vehicles were used to carry the mail. These are the planes of varying shapes and sizes built by Boeing over its journey into aircraft manufacturing. This one is Boeing Model 40B. We would end this video here today, and the remaining part of the museum will bring to you in the second vlog on Boeing Museum, that is the Museum of Flight. So in this video you have seen a good number of airplanes and the inside of the museum, as well as the plane standing outside. With this we will end the vlog now and request you to please subscribe to our channel Shekhar TravelPlus Vlogs, and on subscribing, the bell button has to be pressed for all notifications. Please press it for all notifications. Then watch all videos, like, comment and share. And there is a super thanks tab below each video on my channel. Please press the super thanks tab and support the channel by buying the super thanks as per your wish and as per your capacity. So it will help in motivating us to make more such good videos and traveling around the globe. Please, once again, my request is buy super thanks.